Good day, grade 4 pupils! Welcome to another Math Amazing episode here in Valenzuela Live. I am your FB Live teacher for today from Andres Fernando Elementary School, Teacher Big at your service. To recognize your participation in our today's live session, please comment down your name, grade and section, name of your school, and the name of your mathematics teacher. For today's lesson, you have to perform and master the following skills. First, you have to compare numbers up to 100,000 using relation symbols. Second, you have to order numbers up to 100,000 in increasing or decreasing order. And lastly, you have to round numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Are you ready? Let's begin. I have here different pictures of mountains. Are you familiar with these mountains? Wow, that's great. Some of you are familiar with these mountains. These are the three highest mountains that we have in our country, namely Mount Dulang-Dulang, which is found in the province of Bukidnon in Mindanao, Mount Apo, which is also located in Mindanao, and Mount Pulag, which is located in Luzon. Do you want to know the height of each mountains? Let's start with Mount Dulang-Dulang. Mount Dulang-Dulang has a height of 2,938 meters. Mount Apo has a height of 2,954 meters. And Mount Pulag has a height of 2,922 meters. Now, among these three mountains, which is the highest? Great! The highest mountain is Mount Apo with a height of 2,954 meters. How about the lowest mountain among the three? The lowest mountain among the three is Mount Pulag with a height of 2,922 meters. Now, let us arrange the mountains from highest to lowest and from lowest to highest. If you are done, please type your answer in our comment box below. Okay, let us now check your answer. Let's start from the highest to lowest. What is the highest mountain among the three? The highest mountain is Mount Apo with a height of 2,954 meters, followed by Mount Dulang-Dulang with a height of 2,938 meters. And the lowest among them is Mount Pulag with a height of 2,922 meters. How about the arrangement from lowest to highest? The lowest mountain among the three is Mount Pulag, followed by Mount Dulang-Dulang, and the highest mountain is Mount Apo. Did you get the same answer? Well done, grade 4 pupils! Arranging the height of the mountains involves comparing numbers. Now let's compare numbers. Alright, let's have this example. Let us compare 65,128 and 54,281 using relation symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. How are we going to compare these numbers? To compare these numbers, we have to place them in a value chart. Then starting from the highest place value, we have to compare the digits in each place. Starting in the 10,000s place, the first pair of digits in each place value will determine which number is greater or less. Comparing 6 and 5, as we can see, 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, 65,128 is greater than 54,281. Let us try another example. Let us compare 50,357 and 50,537 using relation symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. Once again, to compare these numbers, we have to place them in a place value chart. Starting from the highest place value, we have to compare the digits in each place. Starting in the 10,000s place, are both digits the same? Yes, they are the same. How about in the thousands place? Are both digits the same? Yes, they are also the same. But if the digits are equal under the same place value, we have to look at the digits of the next higher place value. Looking at the digits in the hundreds place, the next pair of digits in each place value will determine which number is greater or less. Now let us compare 3 and 5. As you can see, 3 is less than 5. Therefore, 50,357 is less than 50,537. Now let's try another example. Compare 95,281 and 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 1 using relation symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. Since 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 1 is an expanded form, we have to write it in a standard form. The standard form of 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 1 is 95,281. Then after getting the standard form, we can now place them in a place value chart. Again, starting from the highest place value, we have to compare the digits in each place. Starting in the 10,000s place, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. What have you observed about the digits under the same place value? Very good. All the digits in each place value are the same. If all the digits under place value are the same, then the numbers are equal. So therefore, 95,281 is equal to 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 80 plus 1. And now, let us proceed to arranging numbers in increasing order or from least to greatest. And these are the numbers: 25,348, 25,250, 25,843, and 25,449. How are we going to arrange these numbers? To arrange these numbers in increasing order, like in comparing numbers, we have to place all the numbers in a place value chart. Then, we have to compare them according to their place value. If all the digits under the same place value are the same or not? Is all the digits under the place value same or not? Let us start in the 10,000s place. Are all digits the same? Yes! All the digits in the 10,000s place are the same. How about in the 10,000s place? Are all digits the same? Yes, they are also the same. But if all the digits under the same place value are the same, then we have to look at the next higher place value, which is in the hundreds place. Let's take a look at the digits in the hundreds place. Are all digits in the hundreds place value the same? No, they are not. So how do we know if the given number comes first in our arrangement? We have to identify what is the least digit in the hundreds place, since we are arranging in increasing order. What is the least digit from the hundreds place? Very good. 2 is the least digit in the hundreds place. Therefore, 25,250 comes first in our arrangement. How about the second number in the arrangement? To get the second number in the arrangement, looking again at the digits in the hundreds place, what digits comes after 2? Very good. 3 is greater than 2. Therefore, 25,348 comes second in our arrangement. And for our third number in the arrangement, we have 4. Therefore, 25,449 comes third in our arrangement. And our last number is 25,843. Looking at these numbers in increasing order, or from least to greatest, our first number in the arrangement is 25,250, followed by 25,348. The third number is 25,449. And lastly is 25,843. Now let's try to arrange numbers in decreasing order, or from greatest to least. These are the numbers we need to arrange. 97,265, 96,275, 96,527, and 97,652. Again, to arrange these numbers in decreasing order, we have to place all the given numbers in a place value chart. Then, we have to study the given number and compare them according to their place value. Now, let's start in the 10,000s place. Are all digits the same? Yes, they are all the same. But if the digits are the same, under the same place value, we have to look at the digits at the next higher place value. So looking at the digits in the thousands place, do you see digits which are the same in thousands place? Very good. And what are those numbers? They are 7 and 6. Since we are arranging these numbers in decreasing order, what numbers should we choose first? 7 or 6? Very good. We have to choose first 7 because 7 is greater than 6. Then, looking at the digits in the hundreds place, what digit should we choose first? Correct. We have to choose 6 since 6 is greater than 2. Therefore, 97,265 comes first, followed by 97,265. How about our third and fourth number? For our third and fourth number, we just have to compare 96,275 and 96,527. Again, looking at the digits in the hundreds place, which digit is greater than 2 or 5? Right! 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, 96,527 comes third in our arrangement. And our fourth and last number is 96,275. Again, let's take a look at this number. In decreasing order or from greatest to least. We have the greatest number, 97,652, followed by 97,265. The third number is 96,527. And our fourth and last number, which is the least number, is 96,275. Now let's see if you can answer this activity. In this activity, you just have to arrange the following numbers in increasing and decreasing order. And these are the numbers: 80,314, 80,143, 80,431, and 80,341. You only have a minute to answer this activity, and your timer starts now. Time's up. It's now time to check your work. Let's see if you get the same answer. Let's start in increasing order. The first in our arrangement is 80,143, followed by 80,314. Next is 80,341. And lastly, 80,431. How about in decreasing order? The first one is 80,431, followed by 80,341. Then next is 80,314. And last is 80,143. Did you get the same answer? That's great. And now, let us try to round numbers. Do you know what rounding numbers means? Rounding numbers means making a number simpler, but keeping its value close to what it was. Let us read this example. Mount Apo is the highest mountain in the Philippines with a height of 2,954 meters. Using 2,954, let us round it to the nearest thousands. Using a numbered lines, let us locate 2,954. Between what number is 2,954 located? Very good. It is located between 2,500 and 3,000. Meaning, 2,954 is nearer to 3,000 than 2,000. Thus, 2,954 is rounded up to 3,000. When we say rounding up numbers, it is the process of rounding numbers to a higher number. Let's try another way on how to round numbers, and by this time, using your knowledge about the place value. Again, to round 2,954 to the nearest thousands, we have to first determine the digits to be rounded off by identifying what digits is in the thousands place. Based on our illustration, what digit is in the thousands place? Very good. 2 is our rounding digit because it is in the thousands place. Then after identifying the rounding digit, we have to look at the digits to the right of the rounding digit 2. What digit is at the right of 2? Exactly. 9 is at the right of 2. Then we have to determine if 9 is less than 5 or equal to or greater than 5. But before that, what are those numbers less than 5? Right. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. How about those numbers equal to or greater than 5? They are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, is 9 less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5? Very good. 9 is greater than 5. Then, we have to add 1 to the rounding digits. Then, it becomes 3. Then replace all the digits at the right of the rounding digits by 0. Therefore, 2,954 is rounded up to 3,000. Again, rounding number up to a higher number is what we call round up. Let us have another example. Round 42,376 to the nearest thousands. Again, by using a numbered lines, let us locate 42,376. Between what number is 42,376 located? Very good. It is located between 42,000 and 42,500. Meaning, 42,376 is nearer to 42,000 than 43,000. So therefore, 42,376 is rounded down to 42,000. Again, the process of rounding a number to smaller number is what we call round down. Using another way in rounding numbers, let us round 42,376 to the nearest thousands. Again, the first things we need to do is to determine the digit to be rounded off by identifying what digit is in the thousands place. What digit is in the thousands place? Right. 2 is in the thousands place. Then, we have to look for the digits at the right of the rounding digit 2. What digit is at the right of 2? Very good. 3 is at the right of 2. Therefore, we have to identify if 3 is less than 5 or it is equal to or greater than 5. Again, what are the numbers less than 5? They are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. While numbers equal to or greater than 5 are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Is 3 less than 5 or equal to or greater than 5? Great! 3 is less than 5. Therefore, since 3 is less than 5, then we have to remain 2 as our rounding digit. Then copy the digit at the left of the rounding digit. Then replace all the remaining digits at the right of the rounding digit by 0. Thus, 42,376 is rounded down to 42,000. Did you understand how to round numbers? Let us try another examples. Round 54,661 to the nearest thousands. By this time, we will just use our own knowledge about place value. First thing we need to do is to determine the digits to be rounded off. Then, identifying what is in the 10,000s place. Now, what digit is in the 10,000s place? Right. 5 is the digits in the 10,000s place. Then, we need to identify or look at the digits to the right of the rounding digit 5. What is the digit at the right of the rounding digit 5? Great! 4 is at the right of the rounding digit 5. Then, we have now to determine if the digit to the right is less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5. Is 4 less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5? So let's take a look at this. Very good. 4 is less than 5. Therefore, if 4 is less than 5, then we have to remain again or copy 5. Then replace all the digits at the right of the rounding digit by 0. Therefore, 54,661 is rounded down to 50,000. Now let's have our last example. Round 98,073 to the nearest 10,000s. Again, first thing we need to do is to determine the digits to be rounded up by identifying what digit is at the 10,000s place. What digit is in the 10,000s place? Exactly. 9 is in the 10,000s place. Then, we have to look at the digits to the right of the rounding digits. What digit is at the right of 9? Very good. 8 is at the right of 9. Then, let us determine if 8 is less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5. Great! 8 is greater than 5. Therefore, if 8 is greater than 5, then we have to add 1 to our rounding digit, which becomes 10. Then we have to replace all the digits by 0. Thus, 98,073 is rounded up to 100,000. Now, it's time for an activity. In this activity, you just have to round the given numbers to their indicated place value. You have to round 36,291 to the nearest thousands. You only have 30 seconds to answer the activity. And if you are done, don't forget to type your answers in our comment below. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let us now check your work. Let's see if you have the same answer. 36,000. Did you get the same answer? Very good. Let's now proceed to the next problem. Round 84,507 to the nearest 10,000s. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let's now check your work. The answer is 80,000. Did you have the same answer? Great job. Now, let's try our last problem. Round 95,642 to the nearest 10,000s. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let's now check your work. The answer is 100,000. You have the same answer? Very good. Now, you already know how to compare numbers up to 100,000 using relation symbols. Order numbers up to 100,000 in increasing or decreasing order. Round numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Just remember to compare numbers using relation symbols. Starting from the highest place value, compare the digits in each place. The first pair of digits in each place value will determine which number is greater or less. If all digits in each place value are the same, then the numbers you are comparing are equal. To arrange numbers in increasing and decreasing order, We have to compare the digits of the given numbers under the same place value from left to right. If the digits in the highest place value are not the same, arrange the numbers in increasing or decreasing order. If the digits are the same under same place value, we have to look at the digits of the next higher place value. Then we can now proceed in arranging the numbers in increasing or decreasing order. Then, remember to round numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. We have to determine what your rounding digit is and then look at the digits at the right side. If the digit is less than 5, such as 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, simply drop all the digits to the right of it, then replace it with 0. If the digit is greater than or equal to 5, such as 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, add 1 to the rounding digit and keep the digits, and just drop all the digits to the right of it and replace it with 0. That's the end of our discussion. It is now time to entertain your questions or clarifications about the topic that I discussed. Just type it to your comment box. Okay? Sir, how to compare different set of numbers? Okay? To compare numbers, look at the digits according to the highest place value. Then if you already identify which is the highest or the lowest, use appropriate symbols greater than or less than. And if the numbers are the same, you have to use the right symbol, equal. Sir, what if on the right of the rounding numbers, all of them are 5 or greater than 5? Okay. If all the digits to the right are 5 or greater than 5, what we need to do is to round it up and then follow the rules in rounding up numbers by simply adding 1 to the rounding digit and then replace all the digits to the right with zeros. Okay? So no more questions. For your assignment, you're going to answer what's more on your self-learning module. All right. So according to Stepan Bana, he says, mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of human spirit. That's all for today. Again, this is Vic Bernales saying thank you, God bless you, and stay safe. See you on the next time, everyone. Goodbye.